Assalamualaikum. Here is Roshni with CID News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines: took action against TLP for street violence, attacking law enforcers. Prime Minister Imran Khan, in a series of tweets, made it clear that the government took action against the Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan after it challenged the weight of the state. Tareen and Sons bail extended in money laundering case. A banking court extended the bail of PTI leader Jahangir Tareen and his son Ali Tareen and others till 3rd May in a money laundering case. Grace period for illegal foreign residents extended in Kuwait. Twitter says services down for some users. Twitter said that it was working on fixing an access issue after thousands of users reported problems with the platform. Rupee extend upward trend against US dollar. The Pakistani rupee strengthened by 12 paisas against the United States dollar in the interbank currency market. Coronavirus claims 112 more lives in the past 24 hours in the country. This is the end of today's news. Take care and stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.